Welcome to Bloggingify guys, and in this video I will guide you how you can purchase WPAdminify Pro plugin for your WordPress website from Bloggingify store. So let's get started. So first open your any browser and type for Bloggingify store. Don't worry, I will share you the direct product link in the description box. So just click on the description link and you will redirect on the direct product page. Okay. So here you can see we have lots of WordPress themes and plugins with lifetime auto update. We don't sell cracked and nulled in the name of original. We sell 100% original genuine product. So you will receive auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so if you need anything else, so just click on this search icon and type what you need. Basically in this video we'll talk about WPAdminify. So let me type WPAD. So here you can see WPAdminify Pro activation with original license key. And here's the pricing in USD in $20 and in INR approx. This is okay. So here is the few details about this product. So let me explain you. Uses for one domain, update validity, lifetime auto update from your WordPress dashboard. Installation manually. We will install. That means you have to share your website temporary access with us, and we will install your license key in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. A license type original license key we have, so you will receive auto update from your WordPress dashboard. So if you want to purchase this one, so just click on this add to cart button. Now click on checkout button. Now here you have to fill your billing information and select your payment method. So if you're from India, you can select cash free and phone pay, and if you're outside of India, you can select PayPal for the payment confirmation. Just click on I have read and agree to the website terms and condition and confirm your payment. After the payment confirmation, you will redirect on this type of thank you page, and here you can see our download button. So just click on this button and you will receive our premium contact support. So just share your website temporary access with us and we will install your license key in a few minutes. Okay, that's a simple process. So I hope guys you love this video and tutorial too about Adminify Pro. So I hope guys you have no doubt. So if you have any other doubt related to this product or other one, you can do a comment in comment section and ask your queries. Okay, so in this video that's enough for you. So bye bye, take care.